Hey there guys, this is Coach Tutorial for you back with another Leetcode problem. This one's called check if all characters have equal number of occurrences. So it says given a string S, return true if S is a good string or false otherwise. A string S is good if all the characters that appear in S have the same number of occurrences, i.e. the same frequency. So let's go look at the examples. Example 1. We're giving a string of S and it contains A, B, A, C, B, C and the output is true. That being, since all the characters in S are A, B, and C, and all characters occur 2 times in S. So in example 2, the output is false. Being in this string A, B, 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 um, as you can see, A occurs 3 times while B occurs 2 times, which is not the same number of times. So what we're going to do to solve this problem, we're going to use a hash map, and we're going to have to count the occurrences of each character in the string. So this is ideal. So to initialize the map, the key is going to be the char and the value int. So this meaning that we're going to count the occurrences of each character in the string. We're going to name that MP map for short. And to count the occurrences, just to remind you, count occurrences of each character in the string. To do this, we are going to have to do a for loop to map out the string that we're given and to see the count of each character that appears in the string. So the way we do that, we map, and then we go through every single element, and it's all mapped out. And then what we're going to do is we're going to check if all occurrences are equal. And the way we're going to do that is now that we have the map, we're going to go throughout the map using the for loop. And by finding the count of the very first element in the string, we are going to see if that first element has the same number of count throughout of the map. So let's say this right here, this S0, accesses the first element of this string, which is A, and if it does not equal uh, the it in the map, if it doesn't equal the occurrence of the first element in that map, then we're going to return false. And once, if we don't find any false, if they're all equal, if all occurrences are equal, then we get out of the for loop, and all we're going to do is just going to return true. Let's go to this tab to see how to give you some visualization. Okay, so we first started with initializing the map. We initialize it with the key char value int, and we iterate through string s, as you can see. And once we have the map, character A has a count of 2, character B has a count of 2, and C has a count of 2. And then we check with this second for loop, we check if throughout the map, if the count is equal to the count of the very first element of the string. And in this string, the very first element was the character A. So, of course, A, the count is equal to A, so continue. And then in character B, the count is 2, so the count is equal to character A, so continue. And for character C, the count is 2. So the count is equal to the count of A, so continue. So then we get out of the for loop, since they all equal the count of character A, and we return true. As you can see, the final result is true for the input of string S, A, B, A, C, B, C. And here we go. If you want more coding solutions, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.